Kbeauties, welcome back, and for today's video I've created an olive green elegant makeup look which is suitable for any occasions. And to realize this kind of makeup look, I've used different shades of olive green and a lime green with shimmers to come up with this special shade of green. And with this kind of makeup look, guys, you can opt for a nude lipstick, but I prefer to use fuchsia for a glamorous look. You can also opt for maybe red if you want to be sexy. Now guys, keep on watching kung gusto nyong malaman kung paano ko ginawa ito. See, I did half of my makeup and I left out the eyeshadows para yun ang gagawin natin sa video na to. I'll go straight with the eyeshadow base. Yan. I'm using the one from Essence. And with my ring finger, I'll use it to spread the eyeshadow base on my lids, all over my lids. Gagamitin ko tong bago kong palette. It's from the Revolution, Makeup Revolution. Ito yung kanilang Reloaded Iconic Division palette. Saglit lang guys, iniwan ko yung brushes ko doon. Nilinis ko kasi kagabi. Using a very fluffy blending brush, very soft and fluffy ito. Ayan gagamitin natin for our transition shade. Ang sunod nating i-apply is this kind of green. This one. We'll leave out yung sa middle kasi yung sa middle lalagyan natin siya ng shimmers. Dito sa part ng where the triangle is, yung outermost, ang ilalagay natin doon would be the darkest green. Itong forest green. I-tap lang muna natin siya para makuha natin yung shade na gusto natin. Yan. Now, using the flat end of the brush, i-dip natin siya dito sa darkest green. Yan. And dito yung apply natin dito sa area na to. Ngayon guys, mag-apply tayo ng lime green shimmers dito sa my middle part. This kind of green naman. I'm gonna use my ring finger in applying it. Now guys, with a clean blending brush, i-soften lang natin yung edges ng ating eyeshadow. And then maglalagay lang tayo ng shimmer dito sa my arch. Now mga ka-beauties, with a brown eye pencil, maglalagay tayo dito sa ating eye contour. Para sa ating eyeliner, gagamitin ko itong black. Here's our final look, guys. It's olive green and shimmers. And it looks very good with fuchsia